Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to make a Linktree on Instagram for free. So first, let's make a Linktree account. Open up a browser on your phone. On the search bar, just type Linktree. Open the site that says linktr.ee. So in this case, the first one. Once you're in here, tap Sign Up Free. So go ahead and input the email address, username, but take note the username that you have in here is the same username that you will be showing or will be shown on your Instagram. Go ahead and complete this process. When you get here, just scroll down and then tap Maybe Later. And then tap Continue. Alright, so this would be our home page. Now to add a link, simply tap this Add Link button here. Go ahead and get the URL. It could be your YouTube, Instagram profile, Twitter, Facebook, your social media accounts. So I got a URL for my threads. So I'll go ahead and paste it here and then just tap add. All right. And then you can go ahead and tap this pencil icon right beside the title of our threads link so that you can just change it to threads. All right. And then if you have more, then go ahead and add. So once you've added all of your links in here, you can tap this preview button and this is what it looks like. Now let's go ahead and add this to our Instagram account. Click share. And then you would see here at the bottom, this is your Linktree URL. Go ahead and copy that. Go to your Instagram account. Tap on your profile photo at the bottom right. And then tap edit profile. And then as you can see, there's add link in there. Go ahead and add an external link and then paste and then just tap check mark. And then when you go back to your profile, as you can see, that's your Linktree. Go ahead and tap on it and it should show you the preview that I showed you earlier. And then when you go to threads, you'll be routed to the person's profile on threads. And that's it. That's how you add Linktree to Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.